Nulaxy C900, I think it is. Yeah, the Nulaxy C900 USB video webcam. Now, I liked it so much that I actually got two of them. So I've got one, and my wife has one. So anyhow, we're going to do the unboxing. I'm actually using one, the original one I got, to record this video, and I'm using a Mac. So let's do the unboxing. Comes with the extended warranty card, which you'll want to use. Comes with a set of instructions, and comes nicely and neatly packaged, like so. We need to take it out this way. Take the cord out this way, and unwrap the camera itself. There you go. So what I like about it is it has a privacy cover on it, which you can just slide to your left. Yeah, your left. No, your right. Slide to the right. Oops. I'm using my left hand, so it's not that great. But anyway, you slide it to the right, like so. And then it'll come on. I don't have this one plugged in, so you don't see the green light, but it has a red light to show power, and then the green light shows it's actually recording the microphone and whatnot. I really like it also because it has a tripod mount, and it's rotatable, like so. Also, it tilts up and down, so very, very nice. Excellent sound, great recording. As you can see, I'm recording this video, this review, on the same webcam. So again, I like it. Price point is great. It's about $27 and change, including tax. Has a privacy cover. Again, has a tripod mount, which is very nice. You know, in case you need that. I'm using, you know, a nice little monopod. So, you know, very nicely put together, very solid, great performance, USB, plug and play, no drivers to load, works on Windows, great, works on Mac, great. I'm using it on my Mac, and again, a great value for the money, so do not hesitate. I say buy it now.
Alright guys, Tiffany here from Retro 21 Barbershop. Still on lockdown, or state of an emergency, or whatever you want to call it these days. It's pretty much anything. The next unboxing is this webcam for your computer. I have a computer, I don't have a webcam, so I figured I'd get this, and we'll do an unboxing. Instructions, another warranty card. It's all twisted in here. That's everything from the box. So we got the USB cord, and I made a video earlier on an unboxing for a USB hub. So it's all plugged in. It has its own on-off switches on it, so I can only have whichever ones I want running on it. So we're going to give this a try and plug it into that hub, and then put it on top of my computer, I guess. Pull this cord out a little so it's long enough. And we'll see how it goes in behind. Right now I have my camera leaning up against my screen for my TV. For the cord. Perfect. You guys probably heard that. That is my camera hooking up. Let's see if it works. Also the nice thing about this camera that I like, first of all, we have rubber here and there, and it extends. You can obviously change it however you want, or if you want it to just sit flat like that, you can. It also has a security cover, so you can just close that and then nobody will be able to see out through your camera or whatever, or you can open it when you're videotaping, so that's a kind of a nice feature. I mean, I'm sure there's other ways of doing that if a computer doesn't have that. So around and let you guys see, yeah, I'm a gamer, what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. Once I figure out the quality of it and have it set up, I will come back. Okay, so this is kind of the quality of the camera right now set up on top here. So, and we have the microphone that works. So I'm quite content with the camera quality itself. It does look like it has a little bit of, what's it called, fish lensing here. It's going around, but nothing that I don't like it doesn't bother me, so I'm overall happy with the quality of this camera.
So this is an example of the Nulaxy 1080p webcam video. The audio is coming from my external mic, as you can see in the video, but if you look at the camera, it does have decent quality and it does handle the low light conditions of my room fairly well. When the light does get a bit low, it starts to have some artifacts in it and it starts to smooth out some features, so it's not quite as sharp as if I was doing this review in daylight, but there is only a single lamp in this room and that is the only light source in the room. So I would say it handles pretty well. Check out the rest of my review to see pictures of the camera set up on top of my monitor. But I will say that this was very easy to set up. It's plugged into a MacBook and the MacBook was able to recognize it without any problem. There was no additional software to download. It does have a pretty wide field of view. If you look at it, I think on the description it says it's 92 degrees. What that does mean is you will get a little bit of a fisheye effect as you stray away from the center of the camera, but so far that hasn't been a problem with me. Extremely clear quality, very easy to set up, and definitely a lot better than the built-in camera on my MacBook.
To use the webcam the first time, plug it into the USB port and let the software install automatically. And then you can go to the website you want. I'm on Zoom right now. And you open the shutter. And there you go. Great color, great resolution. The green indicator light tells you that you are connected. And you're all set.